It is Aussie Chicken Park, and we're gonna block all these.
TNT.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is a little bit. I'm gonna kill all these Endermen too.
Alright.
It might, yeah. Okay,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I didn't rate it again.
Oh my
I
god.
did that last time.
If you saved the last video.
Yeah. Oh no.
Bump, 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 bump. Oh my gosh, again it lagged out.
They're going, whoa.
Oh, it's still going.
They went to the bottom of the earth.
Remember, you already had like 2 rows there at the bottom of the earth.
Yeah, like 3 rows of TNT going down to the bottom of the earth. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was massive though.
Oh, look how big the cave is.
And I just put some wolves in there, spiders in there. Whoa. Heaps of Endermen survived.
Yeah, because they weren't. Gonna put some more creepers in here.
Oh, a creeper just fell to its death. Should put some at the bottom of the earth.
Okay.
Just drop. Bottom of the earth. Where are we gonna go?
Oh yeah, creepers everywhere.
Next it will be Pig Zombie, probably.
Okay.
Oh, they just get hurt. It's a pig zombie. Endermans. Should still try that.
Oh, why does that really spawn magma cube. What's this?
I don't know what it is.
I don't think I know what this is.
Oh, what the hell?
What the?
Oh yeah, they're like
They're
slimes.
Yeah, they're like slimes.
Just a bit different.
Yeah, where's slime? Spawn slime. I didn't think about spawning slimes. But I've never heard of those.
The spawn magma cubes. Yeah, they're lava versions.
Yeah. I should put a bit more. I should put some TNT in here. Diamond!
Oh, nice. Found some diamond in it. It's always at the bottom of the earth, diamond.
Okay.
5. Put a torch on there.
Yeah. Okay. This will be epic.
What? There's a skeleton in there. He spawned in there.
Is it?
Yeah, look, right there. Just put it on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you put it on the TNT. On it. Put it there. No. Now it should be up. Try the redstone one then. Like that torch isn't working. Redstone torch. As usual, I always do it with redstone torches.
Okay, I'll just put some more TNT.
In case
some of them die. Don't die.
Emergency TNT. Alright, ready. 5.
Wait, no.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's over. Bum, 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 bum.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, the magma cubes lived. And one slime did.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy.
What
was that?
I don't know.
Oh, pig zombie lived and creeper.
We'll put it. Okay.
We'll try more TNT now.
See ya.